Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing fine. Today I have got a couple of job openings. Before I start my video, I have to tell you guys something. So I have bought three openings which are perfectly for freshers. So the first opening are from EY, and the second opening from CGI, and the third opening from Amazon. So for example that. I know someone from the Amazon, so I can help you with I can help you with referral as well. So what I tell is, you watch the complete video. While I was telling, if I know someone from that particular company, I will ask you to drop your email with the job role so that I can help you with the getting the referral. So that's the reason I ask you to watch the complete video. So I will start the video right now. So the first opening which I bought is from EY. So it's for analytics and Python developer. It's for Kolkata location. And yeah, here you can see the job description is for risk internal audit analyst jobs, and they're looking career opportunity not only in Kolkata, all the four states also they're looking in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kochi, and Kolkata. So the thing is, in MNC there is some position will be opening throughout the India. So I suggest you to apply for this role. And the skills here you can see Python, or they are mentioning 1 or 2 years of experience. And it's not mandatory if you have a good relevant experience in any internship or any for this role. So yeah, and the next role is from CGI. So CGI is looking for the Python developer. Python developer is for Bangalore location, and the skills they require is C++, English, GitHub, and Python. So these are all the skills required for this position, and this is the perfect entry-level position. I suggest all to apply for this role. And the next role is business and intelligence engineer. Is for finance operation and finance analysis. It's for Amazon company, and it's one of the best and the biggest company. And I know various members from the Amazon company. If you are interested with this job, only if this job description align with your resume or align with your skills, you send me the email ID along with the job ID as well, so that I can help you to get referral from this company. As you know, if you get a referral, there is a high chance of getting a call back. So that's the reason I will tell you to give me the complete address. Sorry, complete email address so that I can help you. I cannot able to share their contact directly. If you give me your email ID so that I can send you it personally. So the tools that they require is SQL, ETL, Excel, and data visualization tools, and report scheduling tools, and scripting languages. So these are all the tools and technologies required for this role. If you align with this job description, please send me your email ID in the comment section so that I can help you. So thank you. So these are all the main openings which I got for the first student. Keep supporting, keep subscribing. I will keep on updating and bringing the new job openings. Thank you.